September is National Suicide Prevention Month, and all this week we've been talking about the importance of beginning the conversation in hopes of ending the stigma and keeping silent. Texas Today's Barry Roy sheds light this morning on youth suicide and how schools are keeping a watchful eye on our children. Good morning, Barry.
Yeah, good morning to you, Tahisha. All of the school districts in Central Texas, they've been back to school for a few weeks now, and there is a focus on monitoring the mental health of students every single day. I had the chance to speak with Dr. Emilio Olivares at the Temple ISD, and he tells me they take students' mental health very seriously. He says the district has a proactive program where each campus has social emotional staff on campus who work with students who are experiencing social and emotional distress. Dr. Olivares says they work with them by building relationships in any capacity that is needed for their well-being. I asked him about kids in school who may be suffering in silence and don't believe they have anywhere to turn and no one to talk to. His message to them is clear.
Just reach out to your counselors, reach out to your teachers, assistant principals, any adult that you trust, and they will ensure that you get to the person that will be able to take care of you properly.
It is a second leading cause of death among high school aged youths 14 to 18 years of age after unintentional injuries. According to the CDC, in 2019, nearly 20% of youths had seriously considered suicide, and 1 in 6, or 16%, had made a suicide plan. 1 in 11, nearly 9%, had made an attempt, and the CDC reports that 1 in 40 youths had made a suicide attempt that required medical treatment. Now, if you or someone you know is struggling, or if you have a student that needs some help, there are resources available, including the National Suicide Hotline at 1-800-273-TALK. Dr. Olivares also tells me from the moment students step on the bus in the mornings, all the students are greeted and they talk to every student that they can, from Dr. Bobby Yott, the TISD superintendent, to the bus drivers. He calls it a collaborative effort in building relationships at the beginning of every day.